Hello everybody, this is Kritika from Informatica. In today's session, we will learn what is scope boundary query. Agenda, introduction, scope boundary query syntax, difference between split by and scope boundary query summary. Introduction. Scope boundary query specifies the range of values that you can import. By default, scope uses the query select min of split by, max of split by from the table to find out the boundary for creating splits. In some cases, this query is not the most optimal, so you can specify any arbitrary query returning two numeric columns using boundary query argument. For example, boundary query select 1, the higher limit, scope boundary query syntax. Use the following syntax. Boundary query select minimum ID, maximum ID from the table name, as we saw in the example in the previous slide. Whenever you configure the boundary query argument, you must specify the minimum ID and the maximum ID along with the table name. If you do not configure the argument, Scoop runs the following query. Select minimum split by, select max of split by from the table name. Add boundary query to the additional scope import arguments property in the scope source object. Difference between split by and boundary query. Split by. For free form query import, you need to specify split by. Whenever you are importing the result of any particular query, scope needs to know the column name using which it will create splits. Whereas while importing tables, if not specified, it uses the primary key of the table being imported for creating splits. In case your primary key is uneven and not consistent, you can also specify any other column for using split by. Boundary query. During scope import process, it uses the query to calculate the boundaries for creating splits. Select min, max from the table name. In some case, this query is not most optimal, so you can specify any arbitrary query returning two numeric value using boundary query argument. This saves minimum split by and maximum split by operation and thereby is more efficient. References. Thank you.